Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be working on an 8.5 by 11. I still have some pages to do in my second daughter's album before I get to her 12 by 12s. So anyway, I'm using this picture. It's a little bit blurry, but sometimes that's what you have. And it's my stepmother-in-law, guess that's what we call her, my father-in-law, and me, and my second daughter. And this is actually in my previous marriage. And anyway, we're out in the, getting a bunch of texts all of a sudden. We're out for a walk in the fall. I'm probably wearing my ex-husband's sweatshirt, well, my husband's sweatshirt at the time, because I definitely did not have a Green Bay Packers sweatshirt. I probably didn't have anything that was walking worthy for that weather. But so we're just taking a break, walking out in all the fall leaves, and we've stopped by this brick building. So I don't know what that is actually. I don't remember. But so anyhow, I'm scrapbooking this today, to make a long story short. And I think I made a short story long. So anyhow, I pulled out my page maps, and these are by Becky Fleck. And anyhow, I was just like flipping through, and I think this is my second page. And I looked up at this one, and I thought, oh, that'd be cute. Because I could definitely cut it down to an 8.5 by 11. And so you know that anything that you do one size, you could do another size. So I mean, it'd be easy to make it either way. So you can see it's not right on, but that was my jumping off point. And so there it is. And this is from 2012 March. So if you want to look it up. Okay, so I'm using Autumn Splender by Mintay. And now, now that I went through my winter stuff, I'm thinking, I don't think I have a lot of fall stuff, except for where it's very kid-like, which actually would have been all right. Except for I'm doing this for her, but actually you're seeing her. Well, you still get to see her. But I'm the most prominent person in the picture, but that's all right. She needs mom in her book too, right? Okay, so I'm putting it on one of the papers from the 8.5 by, or the 6 by 8. And I'll be saying 8.5 by 11 the whole time. By the 6 by 8, and then this is from the 12 by 12. And I pulled out this and I thought, oh, that's neat, because there's this brick building back here. And so that's how I got started with that. And then I decided I wanted not just these leaves. I decided I wanted to have more where you're actually seeing a tree, even though all you really see is leaves in this and some branches down here. So there must have been like a bush there. But this was from 1989, so I have no idea. I don't remember the name of the park. I'll have to try to figure it out and add that in the journaling. Rarely do I put any journaling until later, much later. I'm going to have to do it when I put the albums together. Now, her album, I'm still doing it chronological, because I can pull those out and just do them. And I have to say, doing an 8.5 by 11 after doing 12 by 12s, it's like, it just seems like it just happens so quickly. Okay, and I think about right there is good. And I feel like I'm piling so much paper on it. because of it being so little. It's just funny. Okay, and you can see that it's, you know, it kind of resembles the sketch I'm going by. I'll show it to you after when I'm done. And I want to see, you know, more of this brick that you see in the different places. Oops. I'm knocking everything on the floor like usual. I already think it looks pretty because the papers are so pretty. Okay, and then I have some leaves, I have a camera, I have a mushroom, and I think these are for afterwards. Okay. I probably should just open up the glue and use that. My sleeves are just in the way. Okay, so I'm going to put this up here. I'm going to put this over this. Okay, and then I want this little mushroom, because that's when we were out walking, you've seen mushrooms, you've seen acorns and different nuts. And then you always see those little black things. They're some kind of seed, but they always look like peppercorns to me. And then I have this little camera that I'm going to put on here, because obviously we brought a camera along. Except for I don't know if you took any other pictures or not. This is the only one I have. Okay, and I'm using the sticker sheet words, because, you know, if I can have my words already, I'm pretty happy camper. So I'm going to put leaves right there. And autumn above it. So it's kind of around that camera. I love how that looks. Okay. And where's my other pieces? Okay, I think this is it. Oh yeah, the words. I'm going to put Fall Magic from, it's also from the word sheet. I think maybe about there. And then I have another thing of leaves, and this was actually from the 6x8 pad. So I usually get an extra sheet of the embellishments, and then you get the embellishments in the paper pad too, so that way I get enough embellishments, because I would like to buy the laser cuts, but it's just a lot cheaper cutting them out, even though sometimes, I mean, I don't even have the second sheet cut out. So, but I've cut out a few things. And then I have another leaf, and I'm just gonna, so there's almost a little scene here where the title is. It's so funny because Ginger said, "You're always building a scene." And it's like, I am? I didn't really realize it at first. Okay, and then I'm gonna put, this was actually a leaf that was on the cover, and so it's like when I'm cutting them out, if I see that there is one on the cover that I didn't, you know, cut up, then I will use it, you know, I'll just cut it out it's always a little bit smaller, but sometimes it's nice to have a smaller thing. And I'm just going to put it here like it's just falling. And then I have another one. And this one I'm going to let overlap the picture. And then I have a sticker that says falling leaves. And I'm going to put this just down here at the end of the page, or end of the picture there. And then I have, let's see, more mushrooms, more leaves, some acorns, a little fox, and another sticker words. It says Autumn Glory. Okay, I gotta remember how I have these on here. I think I want this mushroom first. I've got glue on it, but I'm gonna kind of curl up these leaves a little bit. And I think I will on these too a little bit. Okay, and then I've got another leaf. And more mushrooms. They're trying to get away from me. Another mushroom. I want them just overlapping a little bit. Okay, and then the acorns. I'm going to kind of do the leaves a little bit before I glue them down. And I'm putting them right there. And then I've got the little fox. And I actually don't know if we've seen any animals on our little trip. And I got him up on dimensionals too. And it looks like he could be on one more on this one side. Well, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that or not. You know how I end up tearing things. Okay, what did I do with my dimensionals? Oh, here they are. Let's see if I can pull off one and stick underneath that ear. Yep, that looks better. Okay. And then I still have not decided. Oh, I forgot my Autumn Glory. And I'm going to just stick it down here by this little fox and the acorns. Okay, I haven't decided. I'm kind of thinking these black ones just because, well, and all my things are on the turquoise, so I think I will do the black ones. They remind me of those little seeds that you'd see in the walk in the woods. So I think I'm going to do those. And I think I'm just going to use the tiny ones. Because I don't want to put them behind the fox. Put one up here by the mushroom. Maybe one on the leaf. Because lots of times that's where you see them. Maybe I want this one up here too. Okay, I like that. And decisions. Okay, and that's it. So I will have close-ups at the end. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day. And I'll be back tomorrow. I'm going to try to do one of these 8.5 by 11s at least once a month or something. So if you are interested in that, you'll want to subscribe and so that you don't miss it. But remember, all these could easily be turned into a 12 by 12. So have a wonderful and blessed day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.